Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox something different from the regular technology stuff or the U-box. So today we're going to unbox this one. This one is a Iwata water filtration vacuum cleaner. So something that we got from a few months ago, but we had to open it before and had to return it because of some missing parts. So now that it's back, we take this opportunity to show it to everybody, what's inside, how it works, and give you an overview on what this is actually doing for you, or at least for us. Alright, so let's take a look at the box and see what is written, and the camera will just zoom in to let you see the text. Alright, so this is the Iwata brand. Now there are some other brands that is available, like Rainbow, that's the most common one, but this one is a bit cheaper. So this one is about 10,000 pesos or about $200 roughly based on exchange rate. So this is the water filtration method vacuum cleaner. So what the water filtration does is that you have a water catch basin here. Normally in your vacuum cleaner you have a bag that catch all the dust. Now this one is using a water tank to catch all the dust. Alright, so a water filtration method is clean and easy, practical and functional, perfect for your modern lifestyle. This is what it looks like in the picture, and we'll see the actual product later on. So let me turn the box so that you can see and read some more. So the model of this one is the CM123M. Okay, hope you can see that, CM123M. So it traps dust mites, allergen, bacteria, pollen, and all kinds of microscopic particles effectively. It has a 1 kilowatt powerful and consistent suction, works as an air purifier, it releases clean, fresh air, has 4 stages of filtration, including a HEPA filter. The air that is blown out of the vacuum is cleaner and fresher. So what is happening is that whenever there's an air going in or sucking, there's a back exhaust that releases the air. It's already clean. Okay, for fresh and clean and pleasantly fragranced air, you can add essential oils for aromatherapy or disinfecting non-foam, and as long as it's a non-foaming solution. Just switch on without the suction base and it works like an air purifier and freshener. Okay, again, the input power is 1000 watts. Suction power is 150 watts. Dust capacity of 4 liters. It's made in China and the dimensions of the packaging is over here. Now this is very useful now that we are already in a quote-unquote virus-infected pandemic. So this will help you in the filtration or at least cleaning your air to make sure there are no allergens. Let's take a look at the back side. So it's an excellent containment vacuum cleaner recognized worldwide for effective mold removal. Comes with a variable speed control. Comes with micro suction tool. Comes with micro and HEPA filter, crevice nozzle, and dust brush, wheel floor nozzle, and these are the accessories. You have the handle, the switch, the power control, the hose and tube assembly, the tank, the holder, 2 parts tube, water brush, crevice tool, and small floor brush, multi-purpose nozzle, and duster brush. Okay, so these are the accessories, and we'll show it to you later on when we unbox. Okay, so again, it traps micron dust mites, allergens, bacteria, pollen, and all kinds of microscopic particles effectively. Okay, it comes with a HEPA filter, so meaning it traps all the dust inside. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box, and hopefully you'll be able to use this in your homes. So these are the parts that came in with the Iwata vacuum cleaner. I'll show the nozzles and accessories to you first before we go to this Iwata, okay? So this one. So this one has a on-off, I think. This is the floor nozzle. Okay. So this one has a locking mechanism. So if you can see, you can adjust the the type of brush. Okay. This is the regular. So it's like this. Okay. And we have a smaller one. We have a smaller one with the brush. And you have this one. This is useful to reach those hard to reach areas. And this one. So this one is a extension. So there's a handle here. You can extend your tool. And of course you have these hoses. And it came with the warranty. Okay. And let's take a look at the device itself. This guy reminds me of something I usually watch in the movies. So leave down in the description if you know what this looks like. And maybe there's a price coming up for you. Alright, so this one is the Iwata vacuum cleaner, water filtration method. So as you can see here, there's a tank below wherein you can put in the water here, and all the dust will be accumulated here inside the tank. Okay, so this one comes with wheel, so it's easy for you to move along as you clean. And these are the knobs. So this one has minimum and maximum. So this one will be how strong the suction will be. And this is of course the on-off switch. Now one thing that I like about this one is they have a protective cover so that no water can penetrate on the on-off switch. Now it will help prevent any short circuit of the machine. And one thing is also nice about this one, it has a wire, what do you call this? A wire handling or spooling, so that you don't need too much of wire for your power. You just have to loop around this one. It will be easy for your storage as well. Okay, what else? Let's take a look at what's inside. So the back. Okay, this is where you put in the hose. This one here. So this is where you secure your hose. Alright. And let's take a look and open. You can open it from this knobs. So the way to do it is you just lift and you can remove. So this is what it looks like inside. Alright. And this is what the tank looks like inside. So this is what it looks like fully assembled. So you have the Iwata vacuum cleaner. You have the hose that is connected to this one. Pro tip, make sure it's tightly snug and twist. You have to twist harder to make sure it's connected properly so that you don't have any leaks. And this is the hose up to here. You have the handle. So again, this is the power control. Okay, power control. And this one is for the extension of the tube. And of course, this one is removable with the different nozzles, so you can change this in accordance to what you need in the vacuum. So thank you very much for watching our video, and thank you very much for supporting our channel. We already reached 1,000 subs, and we want to thank all our viewers, and if you'd like to support our channel, please give us a thumbs up and like our video, and let me know if you want other contents. I'm also thinking of publishing other contents related to my experiences, and if you want that, please give a thumbs up, or at least put in the description in the comments down below if you want that. So I'll put the description and all the product details in the description of the video, and I'll post a link where you can buy this one maybe in an online store near you, or at least hopefully something that you can buy for this one. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.